Hey guys, you know what I've wanted to do for the longest time on this channel is add more metalworking type projects, and I just received one of these guys, so guess what we're doing in this video.
So as you probably already noticed, the table frame is made up of 1x2 by 1/8 square tubing, and I'm going to use a piece of 1/4 inch plate for the top. Now you might be at this point wondering why I went for a TIG machine opposed to a MIG machine, and that's for two reasons. One, it has a lot less spark, which is kind of important when you're working in a woodworking shop. And two, it can weld aluminum, which I think is more suited for the type of projects I'll be doing in the future.
Alright guys, so it's a new day, and as you can see I got a lot of the frame all welded up here, but I came across a pretty dumb mistake. As you can see, I got a rail that comes across, and then as you can see I welded this in the wrong spot because it doesn't match up. And what I did is I was using these for a guide, like this, but it's actually supposed to be like that. See, I did this one right, but this one here is wrong. Not a big deal, doesn't affect the design at all. It's just going to look a little off in the back, so I'll have to live with it for now. Anyways, I'll go ahead and continue welding this up. Sometimes it's worth going to your local metal recycling place and they'll have stuff like this. This was significantly cheaper to buy this from the recycled depot instead of buying it brand new. You gotta admit this shield's pretty awesome though. Anyways guys, I hope you like this project. It was a pretty big metal fabrication type project, which isn't going to be the norm in this show by any stretch of the imagination. But I do want to do some welding and I need a place to do that. So that was the idea behind this. I can wheel this thing right outside on a nice day, and it kind of acts as not just a table but a cart as well. So I want to give a big thanks to Lincoln Electric for hooking me up with this welder. This thing is super sweet, so please go check them out, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this project. I'm Ryan Nodwell, and thanks for watching.